Okay, so we got everything off that's going to come off. Got a little extra debris.
Perfect.
There's some wrenches in the way.
Sorry about that, I didn't look at those. That's my fault.
Usually I take that out, but I think I'll leave that on your bike. So.
Shall we discuss this issue?
What, that? That'll come out. It won't even move a tool in it. Yeah, socket. Big one and a small one.
Oh, Alan. You're about to show me something.
Yeah, it would be something I showed you how to take it out with a socket like that. We need the small one. We need a small one too.
Listen to her scream. Oh, that one's gone.
That one's got a problem. That's the first one. Those I've got to strip out. This one here is trying to be another one.
Just crush those threads.
What does that do? Oh.
And a ratchet.
In the trash.
To the trash.
There's one at the bottom.
Not
Two at the bottom.
Not that size.
Oh. That size, no?
Yep. Toward my socket too.
Just round out my bolts, that's cool. Oh, you can smell them.
Yeah.
You smell that Loctite?
Yeah, 20-year-old Loctite.
Probably red.
Sounds familiar.
Powdery.
Yeah, it's good stuff. You know why this is so short?
Why?
It used to be that long because every time it's short and it gets loose, shorter and shorter.
Every time you cut it down, it gets shorter?
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that.
That's weird.
I was thinking it was going to get longer, but it didn't.
It's a design flaw.
All right, now for the fun part.
Extracting that bolt?
Yeah. How'd you get that last one out?
Oh yeah. So now, guys, we're gonna grab the angle grinder and make an X pattern.
Is that a 4-inch?
Yeah, and then put a big Phillips into it.
Is that a 4-inch one we're gonna use?
That's right.
Oh, we forgot that one.
That's the stripped one.
Oh. Told you.
Hold on, I don't think you were in far enough. I think there's meat at the bottom.
Meat?
Can I try to hit it?
Isn't this your motor? Do it.
How'd that go?
You got these stubby freaking tools.
Strategic. Okay.
That's a strategic method of removing that stripped bolt.
We'll see if they work.
Have you tried them yet?
On these, no. You might have a long one.
Untested products.
Breaker bar.
Your long breaker bar? Where is it?
It's in the bucket.
Oh.
What's this?
Yeah. Well, that's not really long. That's like kind of standard, but whatever. Ooh, 1.5 inches. Got the big boy.
Just a breaker bar that's long. It doesn't look very promising.
Why don't you tap it in first?
Things for recording, aren't there usually like numbers?
No, it just has a big red thing on the front. Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
See at the top it says
Yeah,
rec.
I know. I just want to make sure.
Why don't you try tapping it in?
It's not a cell phone. It's not enough to bite onto. It's too short.
I have a Snap-on one.
So these failed. Not big enough.
You just got a product testing video on this.
Failed.
They sent him that, and he
He
didn't
showed
even
off the brand and
he
everything.
gave it 2% effort, puts it in. Nah, that ain't it.
No, I actually paid for those.
Oh.
You did pay for those?
Yeah. It's even worse.
Now we're gonna do the old stuff. Sock it out.
Sock out.
These are old.
Perfect.
That doesn't fit.
Blast it in.
That works better. This one's got something to bite with at least, because you got to beat on with a hammer for it in.
All right, guys, had to crack your case. Coming in
I
at
don't think
5.
it's going to do anything.
4.
But I think it's in all the way. It looks like a hex head, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Probably a 3/8. Something we don't have.
I don't know. Let me check the tool bucket.
Maybe in that tool bucket.
You have another tool bucket?
It's got a quarter drive too. Might be metric. I have a lot of small 3/8 drive stuff. No. I don't think there's any way 1/4 inch is going to do it. Looks like a design flaw. There's no way you're going to tighten that thing with that little socket. They're going to split that socket wide open.
Crank it.
There ain't no damn way.
Run it.
There's not a chance in hell that's going to hold up. What are you looking for in there? Did you find anything?
No.
They're the smallest one in the kit. Oh, it doesn't fit.
Looks a little loose.
Next size down. Is it in there?
I don't think so.
No metric.
I don't think you owned any metric tools.
Over in that, underneath that yellow hose, a metric socket set.
Tool bucket number 2?
That's the metric tool bucket. It might actually look like a yellow bucket, but it's not.
It's been clearanced.
I don't think the nose is small enough. Does one fall out?
Oh, here, you can answer that.
Too small. Did one fall out? No sockets in there?
Hi. I'm at Tatro's right
Nope, that one don't work either.
So
It's in between these two. What do you got?
Sure did.
Much. Oh, what about that wrench right there?
We need.
That wrench? You don't think you can get it?
No, we don't know what size it is yet. So that failed.
Okay, so the door's open now.
My email.
What about this? Hold on. Let me see.
5/16.
Recording a video right after.
It almost fits, though.
That's because it's the wrong size. Come on, get out of the way.
You get out of the way.
5/16.
Oh. Who put this board here?
I don't know who's over there.
Look at that. Looks like an engine stand goes on there.
I didn't care.
Yeah. Very disrespectful.
There's a 5/16.
You think you're gonna pull it out with that?
It doesn't quite fit on there either. It's too good of a 5/16. Snap on.
Maybe a sloppy 5?
We need a Craftsman 5/16.
Pittsburgh.
It's 11/16. Almost fits. Oh, here's a cheap one. Alloy steel. That's
3/8.
3/8 though.
This one's too big.
Oh, I got some 12 point. What's this one? It's a Husky.
5/16.
Look at that.
Pound that on.
It's on there. It's like it was made for it. Okay, now I got to figure out how to make this work.
Are you gonna bring it closer to the
I'm pretty
The
sure
Allen
this
head,
is
or
going to
the-
make a big mess, and
allegedly?
there's no light to it. It's going to make a big mess. Okay, we got to get some torque on it. Put a wrench in there.
It's not even on there all the way. You want to tap it in?
We didn't go on that time. Yeah, that one went on further.
Oh, like butter.
Yeah.
I like that. You made that look easy. Was that torque to spec?
It was the correct amount of Loctite on there. I'm surprised it came out, really.
I like that.
It beats drilling the head out.
Sock out.
Well, the next thing was to drill the head off.
Yeah,
That always works.
I ain't doing that.
That's hard to do.
Yeah.
And thick bolt.
Sounds like a $900 charge.
Hey, I had to buy these sockets that just special for your bike. So.
They worked
I'm
perfect.
pretty sure this one's bad.
I like that. Are you sure? I thought you. Well, you kind of just made your own Allen. Now it's made oversized. You sure we can get these?
They're stainless steel. Those are stainless screws.
Yeah.
I don't like stainless.
Because they're hard.
All right, we'll be back.
We'll be back.